Hello and welcome. Today I have here in front of me is a Bissell's Steady Sweep. Now I'm going to do the unboxing first and then demonstrate to you how good this is to use. Now this is not going to replace my Hoover, but instead of getting a Hoover out and you wasting a lot of energy, this is what I'm going to replace with to do a quick sweeping, as you can see on the pictures. Basically quick sweeping and picking up a bit of rubbish here and there. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how that works. But for now, I'm going to just unbox it to show you what's inside this box. The price that I bought this for will be displayed, well, I'll put on the description somewhere. This came from Amazon. So there's nothing in this place here I can't see, so let's get it out from this one. So it's fairly small. That probably means that I can easily store it somewhere. So it's a cordless sweeper. It's not electric on it anyway. It's got 5 brush system, it says on here. Multifunction, easy to use. So I'm going to go through all these and see how well does it work. It's got 1 year limited warranty. And the box, dry pan, clean brush. Okay, so it's basically got everything on there, as you can see. And then we'll go and put it together now and see how well it works. Okay, first thing first, it's got this in there, which I'm sure I'll take it out. Wow. Sorry about the noise. It does make a lot of noise. Wow. It's got a sharp bit in there as well, actually. I realise. I have to cut it open. I want to do that. What do I? There we go. Wow. So just looking at the unit itself, how does it work? This is me first time using it, so you've got to bear with me a bit and try to figure out how do you get rid of the rubbish out from there. So there we go, the rubbish goes on here and maybe on that side as well. As you open it, you'll just literally be in here. So I suppose you just do this, pull it up, pour it out, and then you can do the same again on this side and pour it out, which seems like quite a simple process. It's got little metal bristles there, and the brush, as it goes round, I'm assuming he picks it up and he drops it inside there. Okay, so let's now put the handle together. It's metal, which will last a bit longer than the plastic ones. Okay, so I'm hoping they all go in the same directions. I don't have to worry about, okay, maybe not. So this one goes there. Okay. It's getting tricky already. There's no, sorry, I'm not looking at the instructions. It should be quite simple to put through. Oh, make it, there we go. What I'll do after I made this, which is easy to make, as you can see, just the handle needs to go on there, job done, and then I'll demonstrate to you on a rug, on a hard surface, to see which works better. Okay, now this is the tricky bit because, okay, got it. This one will now go here. Oh. And the last bit, the handle, I'm assuming just goes inside somehow. I'll just leave it for now. And then connecting this bit here. Now it's different. I don't know if you can see on here. It's got the littlest bit there. It's like a nut that's going into the threaded hole. There you go. So it's easy as that. And stand up straight. Okay, so you can leave it standing straight, or you can Turn it to an angle that you like. And let the sweeping begin. I'll demonstrate on here first of all with some Rice Krispies to see if they pick all the Rice Krispies up. And I'll do it on the table just to show you does it work as well. Alright, now I've got myself some, couldn't get Rice Krispies, didn't have any, so I've gone with cornflakes. And what I'm going to do, because they come in big size, small size, I'm going to crumble some of them up. So we'll see how well do they pick these up from a hard surface, which is the table. So there we go. So they are now different sizes, as you can see. Put a bit more in there, put some larger ones in there as well. Now we're ready to test this. So I'll keep it a simple process. Okay, so it's some left in there. Let's put it all together again. I shook some more out. Now this is looking good so far, I must say. So I'm going to go again, start from the top, work my way. Well, if it's not going in, it's pushing it to the side, which is quite good. So let's put it back in here again. So how long does it take? How quickly can I get this picked up? Okay. This is probably not the best test for this, but if I come the other way, okay, it's going less and less. I'm actually very pleased. I know it took a few goes at this. And now I've completely, what I've also noticed is, if I put some in the middle like this, you can see, and if I get the brush right in the middle and keep doing this, it picks up the middle bit quite well. And it pushes aside on the bits that goes on the side. That's not bad. If I come back the other way, there you go. Now I'm going to demonstrate you how do I empty this now, okay? So, putting it back this way, you got to be careful when you're above the bin or anywhere you're putting it into. You literally just press aside. That's gone. Put it down the other way. One side picked up more because I was pushing in that direction. So you can see it just literally just opens up and it cleans the whole bit out. And I'm very pleased with that. Now I'm going to demonstrate the same thing on a rug. Let's see how well that works. You might not be able to see it well actually on here, but you can probably roughly see that it's all there. Once again, I'm going to start from here. You might just have to, there we go, nice at an angle. I'm going to go over once. Wow, on the first go you actually picked up the majority of it anyway. So you've got to do it a few times. Come back this way again. And it did a quicker job. It actually did a quicker job on this go. So I am actually very pleased. You may have seen this from different brand, but I just like the fact that this is made of metal, first of all, so it's more durable. And it also has the rubber all the way around, so if you can't scratch any of your furniture or anything like that. It's got the wheels on the bottom, which is sort of rubbery, so it makes it easier. But if you do shake it too much, it will drop off because it's only brush that's holding it all in. So I just recommend basically just, if I can turn it and show you, holding that way, or maybe holding it this way is easier. So you literally just press this bit here, and it opens it. So you just literally press underneath, emptied, done. Same thing on this side. There we go. There's a few more bits there. I'll just quickly do those as well to show you. I am very pleased. There you go. That's one way of saving electricity just by doing it manually. You could just quickly got a dustbin and brush, but this seems to do the job much more fun and makes life much more easier without having to bend down so much. So thank you for watching, and hopefully this gives you a rough idea. And good luck to you on your bits of hoovering that you need to do with a machine like this.